Thanks for tuning in to this episode of DIY with Chaska. Today we're going to be making an herb planter box specifically for this good boy right here. Now I got all of my supplies from Home Depot, and you can pick up everything for about $50, and that's including the plants. I'm using basic cedar pickets. I went with the cedar pickets because it's a healthier option opposed to the pressure treated pickets, which have some pretty nasty chemicals, and I don't want to be feeding that to Chaska here. So let's get started. now that our stain is dry on the planter box, we can go ahead and get our herbs planted. Now, I did some basic research online, and I found just what I'm about to put in my herb garden, but I'll also post some links in the description so you can find stuff for your own herb garden. All right, first one I have right here is a purple basil. This guy's pretty cool. I'm going to put it in the center since it's a little different. A little rosemary plant here. I got peppermint right here. Some Italian parsley, good for dogs. A little fernleaf dill. Lemon balm. And then this guy right here is actually, for me, it's a cayenne pepper plant. And I figured, hey, why not? Right? All right, next step is to pull these out of their pots here and then put them into our planter box, put a little soil in there and water. Let's get started. So now that we have it planted and in place, let's find out if it's Chaska approved. You like the parsley? It kind of looks like it. You ate a little. You want a little more? Oh, I think that's a Chaska approved build. And if you liked this video, make sure you give it that thumbs up. And if you want to see more content from DIY with Chaska, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so you can be notified as soon as we build something else. And as always, thanks for watching.